Today we're looking at a Toro 1032 from about 1976 with a blown auger belt. Replacement part is Toro 269670, Amazon 20 bucks. Here's how we do it quickly and I'll video it. There's two bolts here to get this belt cover off, and then there's two bolts on either side we need to take apart, and that opens this thing up like a taco. Once you got this open, there's a bolt here and one on the exact opposite side you need to take out. In my case, this is a 9/16, but check yours because I don't think this is the original. Once you got this split open like a taco, it's way easier to fish this belt down underneath, get it up, and then obviously we need to get it over here onto this hub. So you're gonna come in underneath this guy, feed it over top, and then feed this all back together. All right, so we got the belt back installed. Pro tip, get this thing, once you get it around this, put these bolts back in, and it's a crap ton easier to put that in. So the rest of this is just putting the cover back on, and we're back in business.